I've watched enough Kyrgios matches. I never know where the serve's going until it leaves his racket. Yes. He actually hasn't
take
really
a little time.
guessed.
It'll take a bit of time to get a read on it.
150 mile serve in the corner whenever he wants.
Yeah, he hits very few doubles for someone that does go for the second serve as much as he does. So both players off and running in this third round. JJ can try and do today to get the better of Nick. So we look at Nick's team net.
Pretty much everybody, except for a handful. Kyrgios sort of snickering to himself. Let the chips fall where they may. So he's not completely throwing away matches like he did. Kyrgios wants another look at it.
And it was Sebastian Baez who broke him first round of Montreal, I think.
He didn't try in that game. I called that match.
Yeah.
It hurt him in the last game. Actually, yes, but one of the things that J.J. Wolf's coach told me, which I found interesting and probably right, is if you can give some pace numbers. He showed me where he serves. Just in each box.
On the juice, is it a little bit?
Juice was almost even. He's lost 5 points. Unfortunately, 4 of them were in one game.
That's big. Good tennis from J.J. Wolf. Oh, just changes direction so easily off that backhand wing, Kyrgios.
It's ridiculous because I was thinking while the point was going on, Kyrgios isn't in the court position he likes to be in. Yeah, it's something he doesn't do much. Go ahead and do this guy. Double T on the line.
Certainly letting his tennis do the talking so far this evening. Nick Kyrgios, we've barely heard a peep out of him. Very professional opening set of tennis, just half an hour needed. He takes it by 6 games to 4.
But he also has a huge swing.
Yeah.
Usually you can't kind of combine those two. His backswing is almost too big on the forehand. It gets remarkably impressive to play professional baseball and then coach in a different sport professionally. Seems impossible, but yet apparently it happened.
Maybe I should have double-checked that. Seconds. There's such high expectations on that first serve percentage.
That almost has to annoy Kyrgios. I don't think he's accustomed to crushing forehands and having it put right back at him with some interest. And that's exactly what happened there.
Hitting off that forehand from Kyrgios.
Yeah, he's getting the crowd to cheer for him against an American, which is kind of remarkable, really.
Off the forehands. Nick Kyrgios is pumped up right now on Louis Armstrong, and he is in control of this match. He leads by a set and now a break at 2-1. Good response from JJ Wolf after being broken in the last game. Huge forehand there of 30.
It's been the difference, I guess, is he's had some huge games, some 30 against Kyrgios a couple of times.
I feel as though it puts so much pressure on you when you have these chances, because you know they're not going to come around too often.
Wasn't much of a serve. Yeah, that was just a regulation serve right into the backhand. He didn't have to step too far. Definitely his box's fault that he just missed that serve.
Second serve. JJ Wolf, a few gifts thrown in there for Nick Kyrgios. It's wonderful again from Kyrgios. Winners from everywhere right now.
Well, what's funny is that's JJ's box that he's saying it to.
JJ Wolf's the problem with playing someone like Kyrgios as well is just how quickly these matches can pass you by.
I don't know, if I was JJ Wolf in this game,
JJ Wolf, just an hour on the clock, and he already trails by 2 sets to love. Kyrgios is looking mean and in the zone tonight. 6-2, he takes the second.
So he's gotten into Wolf's head a little bit. And it's love 40 right out of the gate.
I think he gets enough credit for his tennis IQ, Nick Kyrgios.
Talking tennis, so his whole shtick about not liking the game is disingenuous to me.
Disappointed to have missed that return. chance to get the early break.
90% and go corner, 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 and let Kyrgios run while he dinks the ball like that.
Slow backhand from Nick Kyrgios. The tactic is working an absolute treat right now. He's played a lot of the pressure points well. Let's see how he reacts here from love 40.
That's the first time he got a return in, but it was a short high lob. Those two serves you can't blame both. Two very good serves.
Oh, this time he hit. Great return. Kyrgios very nearly misjudged it. Cannot believe that he's missed the next forehand.
One thing I'm slightly jealous of.
Kyrgios just kept going there. Probably a bit of a throwaway comment before the US Open started. I mentioned earlier when he said, I kind of just want to lose so I can go home. I don't believe that for 1 second, but I'm sure he is looking forward to going seeing his mum. It was her birthday yesterday, I think. He wrote a pretty heartfelt, he's not the easiest to deal with, but hopes that he's making her proud. Ridiculously good again from Nick Kyrgios.
Because he can do sort of many different strokes. He can hit a side spin, Jimmy Connors type backhand. That was just a little flick of the wrist. You can see that ball barely rotating when it was going through the air. But it's still such control over it week in and week out. And I think he's in shape. Isn't afraid to sort of be in a long rally or a long.
That's a shot he expects to make.
This was a series of fantastic shots, starting with the drop shot. Beautifully played, great response, great stab, and then the finishing blow is 5 or 6 great shots in a row, and I like the reaction again.
First forehand where he's basically falling backwards when he hit it. Just before serving, like John Isner and Shapovalov. Let's generate. huge pace off that forehand side. This one twice in a row.
Yeah, it's funny in Montreal, Kyrgios.
If you had to answer now, does Kyrgios win a set before he retires?
As you said, depth and power.
So frustrating for Wolf. This is the identical serve.
And he's running out of time.
Swiftly followed by ace number 21, so comes through very comfortably and is now one game away from round 4.
For a second, it looked like Wolf was walking up to shake
Yeah.
hands. He thought that forehand was going to drop.
Sealed in style from Nick Kyrgios. And for the first time in his career, he reaches the 4th round stage here at the US Open. He looked locked in right from the start today, and that was incredibly impressive from the Australian. And it may well set up what would be a mouth-watering 4th round match with Daniil Medvedev if he can come to his match on Ash right now. But it's Kyrgios who comes through very comfortably, just 5 minutes shy of the 2-hour mark, 6-4, 6-2, 6-3.